Hi, I'm Parker, CEO of Brickloot, and Brickloot is a subscription box company for Lego lovers and brick lovers. So I'm going to open this box up. Let me see. The best part of the box, tissue paper. Now, you get an exclusive custom build from JK Brickworks. You get a brick popper, very useful for popping bricks. You get a nano block P51 Mustang. Awesome. Get a light up block in it. Guess what it does? It lights up. Brick Forge accessory pack. Awesome. Yo Sports Toys Brickloot football player. Some stickers from Final is Your Friend, 25% off. What's inside? And 40% off Lego books from No Starch Press. This subscription is the low price of $27, plus shipping and handling. Thank you for watching, and please remember to subscribe to Brickloot if you already haven't.
Everything is awesome.